The late reservation is implemented is in Bengal. So we should not be carried away by jargon, slogan, rumors that caste is the reality of the past. Caste is reality, will be reality in this country. Caste is getting revived, getting consolidated. It is much natural and religion. When fundamentalism will get the more and more space, the caste will automatically revive. So those who say that there is no need to have a reservation because they all have come up and there are no discriminations. I want to tell them that the caste is getting reinforced again. Caste system is getting rigid again. So we need reservation not only in the government but in private sector as well. Otherwise, those who will survive, but I will say, they will not survive until us as a dignified human, with dignity, with power, respect. One by one, this government is selling. See, rail, airport, DSR, LIC, CPW, Social Justice Department, Transport Department, all these departments have been created out of the public money. Who are there to sell to Adani and Ambani? One of the reasons is to finish the reservation, to bring back the old system where we were untouchable, we were slighted. So this conspiracy is going on at the central level. And brethren and sisters, I have must say, always I had a complaint with Mr. Brother Raman Balakrishnan and Mr. Natesh, that you guys cannot come and participate in education. It are regularly held at Jantar Mantar Parliament. I urge that you must have Facebook. You must have post Facebook page, provocate. You must have Twitter. You should have WhatsApp, Instagram. Modern days, these are the vacancies. And RSS, though very regressive in thought and ideas, but very advanced in adopting the modern technology. How they have such systems, you know that? Initially through social media. And those who are progressive, even trade unions, even left, even Congress, even legally, did not realize that they, the means of communication, have changed. Not only to left, to make, to means of four wheels language you can compare. Now the things have changed, but that was not followed. I'm very sorry to say. On our essence implies they are a law. Those who are permanent. It's because of Baba Sahab, because of our struggle at the center. Gandhi is here. 5% of the income to us so that we can fight. So there is no room to fight, no giving back to society. And you are failing in your duty, and your children will suffer and must be suffering because for 8, 9 years, 7, 8 years, there are no recruits. You are otherwise suffering. You are likely to suffer more, but you remain miser. No sacrifice that I have to say. At least funding part we can take care of. Should give us support. Our fight is regular. And what Mr. Raman Balakrishnan said that staging at a demonstration at Supreme Court in the Rada, BG job, nobody has done so far. It's a yes, suppose he would have been arrested, he had put in the jail. I don't think that any support would have come from him. This I must say, and this is the reality. Do you think that whatever the benefits or rights you are having here, benefits of reservation, you are having here, it's just coming automatically? No, there are the people who fight. This fight, this scholarship has not increased. It's not been released inside. And of course, as the price index, the amount of scholarship was being increased, but that does not be. But how to do it when we don't get the support? From our other mistakes, we don't get the support. It is fine that you are educated here, but some of the things which are at Delhi, either you directly participate or support it. My dear brethren and sisters, I urge again that little bit your personal expenses you sacrifice, but had a mobile. Learn how to wage war on social media, how to protect yourself. Have been removed. The cover is intact, but they will remove the cover also in 2025 because RSS never supported the Constitution right from its inception. So your duty is to protect the reservation, duty is to protect the Constitution, duty is to protect your dignity, respect of your coming generation. This is what I appeal. I thank you, the leadership that despite all anti sentiment or despite all you have taken this challenge to start the yatra to protect the Constitution. Thank you.
Captain of the Adhirana, he is the NSY of Kerala Chief. Next, 226 calling by SEC Confederation President, Mr. Govisa. Mr. Govisa is landing. Mr. Dr. Rilal. Mr. Govisa. Dr. Rilal. Next, there is Secretary of 226, Mr. Sriram. He is worshipping, landing Dr. Rilal. What are you reaching? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sriram.
There is a farm to finish the reservation. couple of days back, Pawan Hunt helicopter has been sold at extraordinary price. One of the reasons of this investing or selling the government property, hard-earned money of public of this country is to dilute reservation, to make us to become slave again. Today's occasion of one of the greatest reformers of India, Mahatma Gandhi, not even 100 years has gone by when we were treated untouchable. Not even 100 years have bygone when our sisters were not allowed to cover the upper portion of the body. And the present government, Manuvadi government, is trying to bring that era again. Whether it is filling up the backlog for reservation and promotion, or a special drive to recruit SC, OBC on their post, that has to be immediately started by left government. The left thinking that they don't believe in caste system. For them there are only two classes, have-not and have. Rich and poor, exploiter and exploited. If it is so, their government has been in Kerala and Bengal. Why the reservation was not implemented in Bengal? It was the left. And you have to. I'm not saying that you do the job. Or you sacrifice your income. At least 5%, 2% becomes unto you. Give it to yourself. That will give you 1,000 times more than when your children get the job. About 80 lakh four-star banking in all over the country. 80 lakh. But our people are not educated. And in North India, what happens is that the BSP has betrayed us. They never took up any issue. Always they said that we will have a power that we will give them it. Rather than asking them. 16% Dalit cannot be the ruler. They can be partner. So practicality was that we should have asked for our own भागीदारी आणि इमोशनलाइजिंग the emotionalizing. RSS says that undivided Bharat will be achieved in 15 years. What is undivided? It is more easy. And the people are carried away. Similarly, it was emotion that will be the ruler. I read there, for 30 years, Northern India Dalits were misguided and they strengthened RSS. You might have read in Indian Express or you can check it. The BJP would have been defeated in Uttar Pradesh recently. If it was defeated in Uttar Pradesh recently, probably in 2024, chances were there that they would have not been elected, but what happened that because of the support of BSP, BJP has won again Uttar Pradesh. And Pathan, Mr. Murli, who the pattern is also present here. Our demands are so wily, so genuine, and accordingly, you have named as Jivan Yatra. For schedule caste, schedule tribe, their participation in government and the resources of the country is mainly through reservation. If reservation is gone, we don't survive. So we will survive physically, even animals survive. But our dignity, our respect will not be there. Our representation into governance and resources will not be there.